Welcome to Ballymore Eustace. Okay, so I know the retention rate on these videos aren't that long, so I want to put this in here now. Please go to bettystown.com, I think it is. There's a charity there. They do wonderful things. I used to volunteer there through my job a few years ago, and I used to come here for lunch in Ballymore Eustace. So if you can check them out, what they do is they kind of provide a recluse for sick and terminally ill children, and it kind of gets them away for a week and just no, treatments, no worries about bills, no worries about cooking and day-to-day kind of stuff. So go check them out, and if you can, donate as much as you can. I know the COVID might have affected them, especially the children not being able to go out and do the activities. It's kind of like a camp for the kids, and they go and do like horse riding and painting and arts and stuff like that. So if you can give it a try. Thank you. Now, probably lost you. Right. This is Ballymore Eustace, and as you can tell, I am going downhill because, well, me and my breathing. But I like this little town. It's not as quiet as I expected it would have been. It's Saturday morning, 8 o'clock. It's fairly busy, but you have these small little colleges. You have obviously the pubs. This is actually a pub here. This actually got amazing food when I was actually here last time. I don't know if they're still open, but it was a good place to go. And funny enough, I only ever came to this area here. Like, this would be the furthest I've come to the town. But I'm doing another video after this, walking along the River Liffey, and it turns out there's a bit more to the town, and I thought this was the end of it. Foolish me. There we go, there's the Guinness truck. Fair play to him. Excuse me. So I'm going to give a shout out to this guy, because sure, why not? It's 3D cube, 3D printing online. It's always interesting. Yeah, it's a small little town. There's a walk here you'll see on one of my next videos. Now, I've been told it brings you up to the dam at the Pool of Fuca. I hope I'm saying that right. I hope I'm not offending the locals. So if it does, it'll probably be worth that trip alone. And then you have Russellborough House around nearby, and I haven't actually spoken in many videos lately, so my voice might be a bit off. As you can see, my last couple of videos have been mainly driving or drone. Yeah, just these little cottages, they look cool. Like, obviously they're done up on the inside. Well, maybe some aren't. It's a very main streety road, and then we have the church. Opening up the grounds for the morning prayers after the Friday night sins, which were created in the pubs. It's a nice little circle, You go out and sin on a Friday night, and you come in and repent on a Saturday. Do that all over again, and then Monday back home. So there's 2 or 3 shops in the village. All little cottages, restaurants, 3D printing. But I love the way it's not actually designated parking, and they just park on the road. It's fantastic. Let's see how dark it is. See, I didn't even know about this kind of turn off area here. Old cottages with things growing on them. I love that. Like, see the leaves and all. Means there's a history there. Like, remember, when someone first moved in, that wasn't there, and they planted it. And we've taken years of maintaining it, putting it away from the windows and the doors, and, you know, shows pride with the house. So it's going to be a quick little video here anyway, because it's a small little town. We're going to finish it up here at the River Liffey Bridge. Going to see if we can get a little gander at the old Liffey. This would be it. This would be it, kind of forming in Wicklow, I think. It's either Wicklow or we're just in the outskirts of Kildare. Yeah, it's a nice quaint little. I wouldn't say I'd be travelling all the way out here just for this. You know, like for me, it's my job. You know, it's my job. I have to do this. You know, but maybe if this walk turns out into it, and you're doing like, you know, that's kind of cool. Turn the boat into a little flower bed. You know, if you're out this way, if you're doing like, you know, Blessington Lakes or Glendalough, and you have a car, and you have a few hours, you know. This might look like a little walkway here. Here's the little map here. I'm not sure how much of it you can see. We are here. We're looking to go this way on the next one, and we'll see if we can get to the dams. Now my knee is acting up a bit more, so yeah. Particular to batters and anglers. Sometimes not as danger in this river caused by very sudden. So this is the Liffey, way upstream. Yeah, I'm gonna end the video there. I'm gonna start the next one, and we'll see how it turns out. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what you think. I'm trying to get more content out there for you people. Let me know what you think of the small little rural, you know, put these places on the map kind of visiting places. So, you know, places that you've never heard of or seen before. Because, you know, you'll know the Cliffs of Moher, you'll know like the Giant's Causeway, Dublin, Galway, Cork, Waterford. But what about the small little quaint towns? I would say nice and quiet, but, you know, you've heard all the traffic since. But I think it's kind of like an intersection between like Blessington and Nice. Anyway, like, subscribe, comment, blah 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 blah.